Genital Photos for Herpes. Ma'am, don't worry, non-venomous naman po ang ating mga ahas, so hindi nakakamatay ang kanilang kagat. But they are constrictor, meaning, sasakalin muna nila yung pagkain bago lalamunin ng buo at mukhang gutom po yan ang ating dalawang ahas ngayong hapon. Okay, joke lang. Okay, sir, again, take a lot of genital photos for her, please. Okay, alam mo, sa pa-checking the time, sumobra na kasi kami sa aming show, guys, sa mga trainers natin, hindi pa nakapag-merienda, so kailangan muna namin mag-break in 15 minutes lang, ha? At ikaw, ma'am, hanapin nyo na kami doon sa office, ma'am, mag-break muna kami in 15 minutes lang po. Okay, now, sir, kalabahala kayo, ma'am, sir. Okay, now, folks, mag-break muna kami in 15 minutes. Babalik lang po kami agad, guys. Salamat sa inyong time. Okay, agad, sir. Joke lang po. Biniro ka lang namin. Okay, now, Kuya Dex, Kuya Buchi, kunin na natin, Kuya. Okay, Shaggy, itaon si Ma'am. Okay. Ayan, Ma'am, we promise you. Already try na po yan. Alright? Alright. Now, Ma'am, thank you so much. You can take back your seat.